Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll analyze the price trend of SOFI Technology stock. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider a stock's price movements beyond a month. This channel only provides short-term price predictions, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Please subscribe. SOFI Technology stock has been experiencing continued selling pressure from short sellers recently, but the current price remains at a historically high level. This suggests that the market is still reluctant to see a decline, and bulls are still trying to maintain the price, but the selling pressure remains strong. Looking at the 30-minute chart, we can see that before October 6th, the stock experienced a sell-off. Then, the stock rebounded strongly, and bulls attempted to push it higher, but the price fell back before reaching $30. However, bulls refused to allow the stock to fall below $26 and are still trying to push it higher. However, it's clear that a significant amount of capital has exited the market over the past month. While the current price remains high, this is still considered a negative sign. Looking at the stock's position distribution, we can see that the majority of positions are currently located between $24.80 and $30.20, with the current share price trading in the upper middle of this range. This suggests that bulls remain in control, but it does not necessarily mean that there is significant room for further upside. As mentioned earlier, there appears to have been a significant outflow of funds from the market over the past 3 to 4 weeks. The proportion of long positions above $24.80 may have declined significantly. This suggests that long capital that previously entered the market at low levels may have largely withdrawn from the market, potentially limiting further upside. Let's return to the stock's daily chart. The company is scheduled to release its third-quarter earnings report on October 28th. While investors remain optimistic, some Wall Street analysts are cautious about SOFI stock due to intense competition and high valuations. Wall Street expects SOFI to report earnings per share of 8 cents in the third quarter of 2025, a 60% year-over-year increase. Revenue is also expected to increase 27% year-over-year to $887.24 million. Recently, Mizuho analyst Dan Dolev raised SOFI Technology's price target from $26 to $31 and reiterated his buy rating. Dolev's analysis suggests that bank processors, consumer lenders, and exchanges are most likely to benefit from rate cuts. Specifically, the analyst believes SOFI's strong interest rate-driven outlook warrants a higher valuation multiple. Last week, Keefe Bruyette analyst Timothy Switzer raised SOFI's price target from $14 to $18 but reiterated his sell rating. The analyst raised his estimates ahead of SOFI's third-quarter earnings report to reflect growth in net interest income and strong momentum on the company's lending platform. While Switzer believes there are many potential tailwinds supporting SOFI stock in the short term, he remains bearish, believing the stock's risk-reward ratio appears skewed negative over the long term given its premium valuation. Currently, Wall Street is taking a wait-and-see approach to SOFI Technology stock, with a consensus rating of hold, based on 8 hold, buy, and for sell recommendations. The average price target for SOFI stock is $21.80, indicating a 23% downside risk from current levels. Technical analysis summary. Although bulls have once again pushed the stock price to a record high, this doesn't mean the stock can continue to rise. The recent failure to break through the $30 level indicates that this price is a key resistance level, and bulls may face renewed resistance from bears above $27. The stock's current high valuation limits its upside potential, so bulls' willingness to push the stock price further has significantly decreased over the past month, and a significant amount of capital may have exited the market. This suggests a potential downtrend for the stock. As for the target price, I set it between $27.60 and $24.80. Bulls may still be able to push the stock higher, but I don't expect it to break through $30. The stock may then reverse and correct downward. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for SOFI Technology stock. Thanks for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.